Welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another coding challenge. Okay, the challenge for today's video is word frequency. Given paragraph, return an array of the three most frequently occurring words. Okay, the conditions are words in the paragraph will be separated by spaces. Ignore case in the given paragraph. For example, treat hello and then hello as the same word. Ignore punctuation in the given paragraph. Punctuation consists of commas, periods, and exclamation points. The written array should have all lowercase words. The written array should be in descending order with the most frequently occurring words first. Okay, these are the conditions, and this is the challenge. The challenge is we should return an array of the three most frequently occurring words in a given paragraph. Okay, now let's get into the solution first. So the first thing what we have to do is we should remove punctuation in the given paragraph. Okay, for that let's copy this paragraph equal to paragraph dot use replace to remove punctuation points. Replace. Okay, and then here we should mention all the punctuation points which we want to replace. First thing is dot, there is period, comma, and then exclamation mark. So we should replace this with an empty string or empty character. So with this we cleaned paragraph. Okay, now after that let's use split method to split paragraph into words. Okay, let words equal to paragraph dot split and then pass empty space. Why? Because if you see the first condition, words in paragraph will be separated by spaces. So I'm using space to split paragraph into words. So the next thing is let's use a map to store word and then its count. Okay, for that let's create a map. Okay, and then use for loop. Use for loop to get word and then its count to store into map. Okay, for let word of words. So here what we do is we first convert into we first convert the word into lowercase. Why? Because if you see the returned array should have all lowercase words. So for that let's convert word into lowercase. Use lowercase method. Okay. Now save the values, that is word and its count into map. For that use map dot set word is the key and the value is count of its occurrence. Okay, for that if the word is not there in the map, we should simply increment we should simply insert the value as the count as 1. If it's already there in the map, we should increment the existing count. For that what I'm doing is map dot get word. If it's already there, we simply get the count from the map, otherwise 0. Okay, which what we do is we simply do +1. So here what we are doing is if the word is already there in the map, we simply get the count and then increment by 1. it's not there, we get 0 as the count for which we are doing incrementation by 1. Okay, this is about storing word counts in map. Now the thing is, what we have to do is we should get the top 3. If you see here, we should return 3 most frequently occurring words. That means we should return 3 most frequently occurring words. For that, what we have to do is let's sort the map first. Okay, for that, what we have to do is we should convert the map into an array of word count pairs and then sort the array by count in descending order. Okay, in descending order. If you see, the condition is descending order. So for that, what I'm doing is let's use sorted equal to map dot entries. This gives the map values in an array like word, comma, count form. In this format, we get an array when we spread or when we use map.entries, which will give an array in the form of word, comma, count. So, which I am going to sort, okay, A, comma, B. Here, what we have to do is B hyphen 1 minus A 1. So what we are doing here is we are actually getting the map.entries in the form of array, and then we are sorting that array in descending order, and then we are taking index 1 because index 0 contains word, but we want to sort based on the count. So that's the reason we are taking index 1. Okay, now this gives sorted array based on the count. Okay, now what we have to do is let's get the top 3 elements from the sorted array. Okay, we want to extract only the words ignoring the counts here. Okay, for that, let top 3 equals to sorted dot slice. Use slice for which pass the starting index as 3, 0, and the ending index is 3. 3 is exclusive, not inclusive. So we get the words from the index 0, 1, 2, not including 3. Okay, now use the map method for which we simply pass word map to word. Okay, this gives okay this gives top 3 words. Okay, now let's return that top 3 words. Return top 3. So this is the solution. So if you see here, what we are doing here, we are first cleaning the paragraph to remove any punctuation. Okay, any punctuation marks like period, comma, and then exclamation point. After cleaning the paragraph, we simply split the paragraph into words, and then we are using map to store the word and its count. After saving word and its count into map, we simply sorting the map entries, okay, based on the uh, count instead of word in descending order, and then we are getting the top 3 words. Okay, top 3 words occurring, and then simply return the top 3 words. Okay, now let me see whether our solution is working as expected or not by running the test cases. So click on the run test. See, all of our test cases passed. Okay, let me show you by running the same program in another Java compiler and how the output will be, so that you get it easily. So let me paste it here, and then let me call these test cases from here. Console.log. I run this. See what is the output here. See, coding Python in. If you check the expected output, what is mentioned in the test case, coding Python in. Similarly, get the second test case and then call it from here. And then run it again. You see, the second test case should return I like coding. If you see, I like coding. Similarly, the third test case, console.log, run it, debug, test, deploy. If you see, the output of expected output of third test case is debug, test, deploy. So with this, our solution is working as expected. Okay, this is about today's coding challenge. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe for more technical videos. Thank you for watching.